One, shake your body, clap, clap, cha-cha-cha. Two, shake your body, clap, clap, cha-cha-cha. Three, shake your body, clap, clap, cha-cha-cha. Four, shake your body, clap, clap, cha-cha-cha. Five, shake your body, clap, clap, cha-cha-cha. Six, shake your body, clap, clap, cha-cha-cha. Keep going. I'm coming. Yay, yay, yay. That's so much fun. Lots of colors. Yeah, it's a big slide. Keep going. Mommy coming. I'm gonna get you. Hello. Hello. Hello, mister. Uh-oh. Where is the slide? What is it? Is it down there? Is it over there? Maybe. It's over there. Let's go. Let's see. Oh, this is a slide. This is a yellow slide. Sit down. Let's both slide. Good job. Good job, my mister. Look at that. That's awesome. Keep going. Very good concentration. You want to try the other yellow one? Okay, you go. Go. 1, 2, 3. Your turn. Sit down and slide. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Raphael, go first. Okay. Through the tunnel again. Go, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very quick. Okay, mommy coming. Yay. More. Spin, spin. Okay, now this way, please. That way. More. More. More up. More up. More here, this way. And the last will be the slide. Which one you want, the yellow or the blue? You want the blue? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Here you go. Your turn.